Often we talk about chance in our day-to-day life at different occasions, like during rainy season. We talk that, or we say that today it may be rainy day, or it may be sunny day, or when we toss the coin, we expect that head will turn up, or we can expect that tail will turn up, or whenever we play the Ludo, we throw the dice. There are six numbers from 1 to 6. We expect that this number will turn up, 4 will turn up, 5 will turn up. So we have chance of occurring anything. Such type of occurrence or such type of expectation is measured in terms of the probability. So today our topics will be probability. How do we calculate it? Before calculating this probability, we need to learn some terms related to this probability. We will discuss random experiment. What is the random experiment? Any activity whose result cannot be predicted. Means कोई ऐसा क्रियाकलाप जिसके परिणाम को हम पहले से नहीं प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते या जिसके बारे में हम बता नहीं सकते कि इसका परिणाम क्या होगा। ऐसे सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट जो है रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। जैसे अगर हम सिक्के को उछालते हैं तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा, ये गारंटी के साथ हम पहले से प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी हो सकता है। जब डाइस को फेंकते हैं कौन सा नंबर टर्न अप करेगा, इसका भी हम प्रेडिक्शन पहले से नहीं कर सकते कि यही नंबर जो है टर्न अप होने जा रहा है। All such activities, throwing the dice, throwing the coin, are random experiments. अब next term, outcomes. What is the outcome? Outcome जो result random experiment का होता है उसको हम outcome कहते हैं. Whatever the result we have after the random experiment, that is known as outcomes. जैसे we throw the dice, हम dice को फेंकते हैं और उसमें उसके रिजल्ट क्या क्या होंगे, जो है कौन सा रिजल्ट आया। जैसे 3 टर्न अप हुआ तो 3 विल बी नोन एज आउटकम। अब 5 टर्न अप होता है तो 5 इसका आउटकम है। 6 अगर टर्न अप होता है तो इसका आउटकम 6 है। तो एनी रिजल्ट आफ्टर रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट इज नोन एज आउटकम्स। अब इस आउटकम्स में भी हम लोग को इस क्लास में पढ़ना है इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम। इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम से हम लोगों का तात्पर्य ये है कि वो सारे आउटकम्स जिनके मिलने के बराबर बराबर चांसेस, माने ये हम नहीं कर सकते कि ये आउटकम के बारे में हम ज़्यादा गेस करें ये आना ही आना है और किसी के बारे में कहें कि ये नहीं आएगा। माने ऑल आउटकम्स हैव 50-50 चांसेस, मीन्स इक्वल चांसेस। जैसे हम डाइस को ही अगर फेंक रहे हैं तो जितना चांस 3 के आने का है उतना ही चांस 4 के भी आने का होगा, वही चांस हमारा 5 के भी टर्न अप होने का होगा। माने फ्रॉम 1 to 6 कोई भी आउटकम से लेते हैं तो सबके टर्न अप होने के चांसेस क्या है, बराबर हैं। तो ऑल दीज आउटकम्स विल बी नोन एज इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम। अब हम जैसे इफ वी टॉस द कॉइन, हेड टर्न अप करेगा या टेल टर्न अप करेगा, दोनों के आने के चांसेस बराबर बराबर हैं। हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं हेड ही आएगा टेल नहीं आएगा, या टेल ही आएगा हेड नहीं आएगा। दोनों के आने के चांस क्या है, बराबर है। जितना चांस हेड के आने का है उतना ही चांस टेल के आने का है। तो these two outcomes, head or tail, is known as equally likely outcomes. Now we will discuss about next topic, event. What is the event? Event is the collection of outcomes. Taking the same examples, डाइस को अगर हम फेंकते हैं उसके आउटकम्स जानते हैं कि 1 से 6 का कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, 1 2 3 4 5 और 6। अब उसमें से हम कुछ कलेक्शन करते हैं आउटकम्स लेकर के, जैसे 2 को ले लिया या 4 को ले लिया या 6 को ले लिया। तो कलेक्शन 2 4 6 का को हम कह सकते हैं कि ये एक इवेंट है। अब इस इवेंट को हम देखेंगे किससे एसोसिएशन है, व्हाट इज द कॉमन अमंग ऑल आउटकम्स। 2 4 6, you know very well these numbers are even numbers, so we can say getting even number as outcomes. Let us understand it more elaborately with the examples. Outcomes are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take 2, 4 and 6, making the group. This will be this collection of outcomes will be known as event. This is the event. What type of event? What are the common among them? These all are even number. So we can say this is the event of getting even number. Getting even number. Similarly, if we collect 3, 1, 5, so these numbers are odd numbers. We can say this is the event of odd numbers. If we take 2, 3, 5, what type of these numbers? You know very well these numbers are prime number. So you can say event of getting prime numbers. If you take only 5 and 6, so this, how will you represent it? What do you observe? This number is, these numbers are greater than 4. So you can say event of getting a number more than 4. So getting a number more than 4. Which outcomes are favorable to this? Only 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 will be event of getting a number more than 4. जब हम डाइस को छालते हैं तो उसमें हम देखते हैं कि कौन कौन आउटकम आने के चांसेस हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो कलेक्शन ऑफ होल आउटकम्स विच आर पॉसिबल in any random experiment, that is known as sample space. What do we say? Sample space. Sample space of the random experiment. जैसे अब here we can say this is the sample space of random experiment throwing dice. If we want to write sample space of random experiment throwing coins, तो थ्रोइंग क्वाइंस हम रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं तो इसमें पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आपको क्या मिलेंगे? हेड विल टर्न अप और टेल विल टर्न अप. नो अदर थिंग्स is going to happen other than these two. So only 2 outcomes can be obtained in the random experiment. So this is called sample space of random experiment throwing coins. This is the this is the sample space. Now we discuss our main topic, probability of any event. What is the probability of any event? It is actually the ratio of number of outcomes favorable to the event and total number of possible outcomes. Here you may see probability of an event. It is the formula. Probability of an event is number of outcomes favorable to the event divided by total number of possible outcomes. With the help of example, let us understand. We are going to find the probability of getting prime numbers. How should we find probability of getting prime numbers? First you see what are the prime numbers. Which outcomes are in the favor of prime numbers. So as we know that 2 is the prime numbers, 3 is the prime number and 5 is the prime number. So there are how many numbers? 2, 3, 5. So these outcomes are favorable to these events getting prime number. Total number of these outcomes is how many? 1, 2, 3. So we will write total number of outcomes favorable to this event, which is 3, 1, 2, 3. And total number of possible outcomes. How many totals outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total number of possible outcome is 6. Its probability 3 by 6. Again, suppose we want to find the probability of getting odd numbers. So first we will see which outcomes are favorable to this event getting odd number. So what outcomes are odd numbers? As we know, odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5. There are 3 odd numbers. So number of these outcomes favorable to these events is 1, 2 and 3. Total number of outcomes favorable to this event 3, and total number of possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Its probability is also 3 by 6. Again, we want to find the probability of getting number more than 2. Event is number more than 2. So we know that sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which numbers are more than 2? This number is more than 2, this is also more than 2, this is also more than 2, this is more than 2. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 outcomes are favorable to this event. So we will write number of outcomes favorable to this event is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And total number of possible outcomes, these are the 6. Its probability is 4 by 6. In this way we find the probability of any event.